Welcome back, dear students. Let us continue the problems. So in the today's class I will solve the exercise 2.2 problems. Okay, exercise 2.2, prove the following. Okay, in that first question is 3 sin inverse of x equal to the sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube, where x belongs to the closed interval minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, and second one is 3 cos inverse is equal to the cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, where x belongs to the closed interval 1 by 2 comma 1. Okay, let us see the solution. We have to prove these two. Okay, so consider the RHS in this, that is sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube, right? For this I will go through the substitution method. For that, substitute, okay, or put x equal to the sin theta, right? So this implies theta equal to the sin inverse of x. Okay, so I will put in this RHS, that is equal to the sin inverse of 3x. 3x means sin theta, 3 sin theta minus 4x cube sin cube theta. So sin cube theta, this is the formula. We know this formula. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta means sin 3 theta formula. This is, so sin inverse of sin 3 theta, a well known formula in the trigonometry, you have learned in the first few classes. Okay, here sin inverse and sin theta will get cancelled, the remaining is 3 theta. Okay, 3 into theta is what? Sin inverse of ex, sin inverse of x. See, this is the required result, sin inverse of x. This is equal to the LHS, right? Very simple. So we need sin inverse in this side. So quotient is totally in the form of sin inverse. For that, put x equal to the sin theta and simplify. Though this is trigonometric formula, write this, you will get a 3 theta and put the value of theta. Don't forget to write the value of theta. Okay, right. Second one, for this also consider RHS, that is cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, so put x equal to the cos theta. This implies theta equal to the cos inverse of x. Theta is equal to the cos inverse of x. So therefore RHS is equal to the cos inverse of 4x cube. X means cos theta, x cube means cos cube theta, cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, right? This is equal to cos inverse of 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta means cos 3 theta, cos 3 theta, right? Here cos inverse and cos will get cancelled, remaining is 3 theta. Okay, 3 into theta is cos inverse of x, cos inverse of x. So this is equal to the LHS. Very simple problems. So but these are all important for 3 marks. Okay, right. Okay, see the next question. Prove that tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24 equal to the tan inverse of 1 by 2. Okay, consider the LHS. Solution, LHS is equal to the tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24, right? So we know that the formula tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y equal to the tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. Okay, very standard formulae in the inverse trigonometry. So on the basis of this formulae, compulsory they will ask one question for 2 or 3 marks. Okay, equal to the tan inverse of x plus y. Tan inverse of x is 2 by 11 plus y is 7 by 24 divided by 1 minus 2 by 11 into 7 divided by 24. Okay, tan inverse of LCM of 11 and 24 is 264. Okay, then 24 into 2 is 48. 11 into 7 is 77. Next 11 into 24 is here also 264. 264 into 1 is 264. 2 into 7 is minus 14. Okay, so this is equal to 264. 264 get cancels. 48 plus 77, so that is 125. Next 264 minus 14 is 250. Okay, so 125 ones are 125 twos are, this is equal to tan inverse of 1 divided by 2. This is equal to the RHS required result. Alright, very important problem for 2 or 3 marks. They will ask compulsory one question on the basis of this formula, or they will ask the question prove the formula. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೆನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್, ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ LHS. LHS is equal to 2 tan inverse 1 divided by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. So see here we have 2 tan inverse of x. Okay, we know the formula. We know that 2 tan inverse of x is equal to the tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Okay, use that formula. First simplify this only. Tan inverse of 2 into x, x is 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 square plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Okay, so 2 get cancels. Tan inverse of 1 divided by 1 by 2 square is 4. 1 divided by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 divided by 7. See here, so its calculation I will do here. 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 divided by 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 1 divided by 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 divided by 4, 4 will come in the numerator, 4 by 3. So its value is 4 divided by 3 is equal to the tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 divided by 7. What I did here, just converted this 2 tan inverse to the tan inverse. We know the relations. Using that relation, converted. Now it become tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to the tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y is equal to the tan inverse of 3 into 7 21, 3 into 4 28, 7 into 4 28, 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 21. Here also 21 into 1 is 21 minus 4. Complete the bracket. 21 get cancels. This is equal to the tan inverse of 28 plus 3 is 31 divided by 21 minus 4 is 17. See required result. This is or not 31 by 17, right? This is equal to the RHS. Okay, very important problems. Okay, see the next questions. write the following functions in the simplest form. We have to write the following functions in the simplest form. Fifth one, tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x, where x is not equal to the 0. Okay, for that see the solution. We have to write this function in the simplest form as much as possible. Okay, for this I will substitute, put x equal to the tan theta. Okay, substitute x equal to the tan theta, theta is equal to the tan inverse of x. Okay, put in that tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x is equal to the tan inverse of root 1 plus x square means 1 plus tan square theta, x is nothing but a tan theta, minus 1 divided by x, x is tan theta, is equal to the tan inverse of 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta, secant square theta root will get cancelled, it will become sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Okay, is equal to the tan inverse of sec theta is 1 divided by cos theta minus 1 divided by tan theta is sin theta divided by cos theta, right? This is equal to the tan inverse of LCM, cos theta will become here 1 minus cos theta divided by cos theta, so it is sin theta divided by cos theta, those who get cancels, remaining is tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Okay, I will use here half angle formulas. So tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta is there, I will write the formula here. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. So the formula for this is 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta. Here 1 minus cos theta is there. Okay, 2 theta becomes a theta. Theta will become a theta by 2. 2 sin square theta divided by 2. It will become half. Next sin theta. So we know sin 2 theta, that is 2 sin theta into cos theta, right? So only if sin theta is there, theta will become half. 2 theta became here theta. Theta will become half means 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, I will use these two formulas and this here. Okay, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 2 get cancels. Sin square is there, one sign will get cancelled. Sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is tan theta by 2. Tan inverse of tan theta by 2. Remaining is theta by 2. 1 by 2 into theta. So what is the theta? Tan inverse of x. Right. So very important problems. Okay. Using the half angle formula is the very important step in this. Okay. Be careful. Okay. See the next question. Tan inverse of 1 divided by square root of x square minus 1. See the substitution for this. solution. Okay, put x equal to sec theta. See here, so this implies theta equal to the sec inverse of x. Theta equal to the sec inverse of x. Put in that tan inverse of 1 divided by square root of x square minus 1 is equal to the tan inverse of 1 divided by square root of x. X is secant square theta minus 1 under the square root. Okay, tan inverse of 1 divided by secant square theta minus 1 is tan theta, right? Tan theta, see how it is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to the secant square theta. So but we need secant square theta minus 1 means take 1 to that side. Tan square theta is equal to the secant square theta minus 1. Okay, tan square and square root will get cancelled. Tan inverse 1 divided by tan theta. Okay, next tan inverse 1 by tan theta is cot theta. Okay, convert this cot theta into tan theta, that is tan inverse of tan pi by 2 minus theta. Tan pi by 2 minus theta is equal to the tan inverse of, okay, these two will get cancelled, remaining is pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta, what is the value of theta? Sec inverse of x. So value of theta is sec inverse of x. This is the sixth problem. Okay, okay, see the next question. Seventh one, tan inverse of root 1 minus cos x divided by root 1 plus cos x. Okay, this is equal to the tan inverse of, I'll write only one root for both, 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x is equal to the, I will use here half angle formulas, already you know. 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x upon 2, okay, divided by 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x upon 2. Okay, 2 get cancels, is equal to the tan inverse of root sin square by cos square is tan square x upon 2. Tan square x upon 2, root and square will get cancelled. Tan inverse of tan x by 2. So tan inverse and tan get cancelled, so remaining is x by 2. See here, so x is less than 5, okay, then x by 2 is obviously less than pi divided by 2. Okay, because they mentioned the condition, that's why I wrote x less than 5, then x by 2 is less than pi by 2. Okay, next this eighth one, tan inverse of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. Whenever these questions, like these questions will appear, that time you should divide and multiply, divide both numerator and denominator by a function. So I will use here cos x, divide both numerator and denominator by cos x. Okay, so tan inverse of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x, whole divided by cos x plus sin x divided by cos x. close the bracket. Next, this cos x will divide to these two. Tan inverse of cos by cos is 1, sin by cos is tan. 1 minus tan x divided by cos by cos is 1 plus sin by cos is tan x equal to the tan inverse of, instead of 1 I will write tan pi by 4 in terms of angle. Tan pi by 4 is 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. See, tan pi by 4 is 1, 1 into tan x is again tan x is equal to the tan inverse of, see, tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. So this is tan x minus y, tan x minus y, x is pi by 4, y is x, is equal to the pi by 4 minus x. So remaining is here. The simplest form of this question is pi by 4 minus